Shoba Fetsu, and I'm back with another hair plug. Yay! So I'll be doing this hair customization and styling from this hair company, Beautiful Princess Hair, and the hair came in with a beautiful wig cap, which there are two, and a card that tells you all about social medias where you can get connected to them. And the hair also came in with some lashes, so they gave me a freebie with lashes. Okay, so as you can see, I just put the hair straight from the package straight into my head, and showing you the hairline closely, the hair came pre-plucked, as you can see. And whilst I was still customizing, as you proceed with the video, you will see that I didn't have to work so much on this wig because it was flowy and bouncy, as you can see, and the lace is so light to a point where it melted so nicely into my skin. And yeah, I didn't have to struggle wearing and melting down the lace. So talking about the hair, I will just run through quickly. If in case I miss something out, check the description box. I will link all the details about the hair, the products that I've used as usual. So I know if you have been binging on my previous YouTube videos, hair tutorials especially, you will know that I always link and plug you guys with the details. So just do check the description box below. So there I was just now starting to customize. As a wig connoisseur, guys, you always learn new tricks when you apply your wigs. So this is a new trick for me that I tried it out, especially not wanting to mess up the lace. I cut the lace into 3 sections so that I can easily lay out each section and cut out the lace. And by doing so, it allowed me to actually have a clear sense of how my head, how the lace will sit exactly in my head, since I have a round shape head. And trust, when you do this technique in any type of head, it will work, because you know where to cut, where to go, how do you swave through your hairline, and so forth. And yeah, just use this technique. It's a technique that I just recently started using when I receive hair. And yep, so I know you can see my bags still under my eyes. I know I got those Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Balenciaga bags under my eyes. It's because Mugelins didn't put foundation on her face. I just did my eyebrows. I know you can see that. I just did my eyebrows, put on some lashes, and just put on some lip gloss. That's it. Just to at least look like a decent human being on the video, not look all crusty. But we're not on the makeup section. Going back to the hair. So I will tell you just a little bit about the hair. It came pre-plucked, and the hair is a full frontal lace wig, so it's an ear to ear, and the density of the hair is 180% density. What do I think about the density? For me, the density, the only I don't want to say a problem, but having a lot of experience in working with hair companies and purchasing my hair from them, I can now legit tell, is this a thicker hair or is this at a lighter version? So this one, I asked for 180% density hair, which must be a lot thicker because I like thick bob wigs. But this one, it felt a little bit lighter on my head, not as full as I thought it will be. But other than that, the hair didn't shed. The hair was so nice and easy to work with. It was so soft, it was so smooth. So shout out to Beautiful Princess Hair for that one. Moving right along, so I was parting the hair, trying to create a side part, and I realized in the end that I forgot to actually pluck the side part. But that wasn't a train smash, because the overall bang look in the end, it was, as you proceed with the video, you will see that it gave me those, girl, you got it covered, girl, trust. Okay, But other than that, the price of the hair was below 1.5, which was about $83. Yes. And the hair, I purchased it under the AliExpress app. So I went into the AliExpress app, find the company Beautiful Princess Hair, and then I let the rest proceed to purchase and shipment. So the shipment was 2 weeks. I got the hair after 2 weeks and it came straight into my door. Shout out to them, gang gang. So yeah, if you guys want me to do a separate video of how I actually go into AliExpress, try find reliable companies, just let me know it down in the comment section and I will do that for you. And I will just now let you simmer right along and enjoy whilst I still style the hair. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that notification bell for new hair plugs, new video alerts. And in case you like this video, don't forget to also hit that thumbs up button. But other than that, I'll see you in the end.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give.
Okay, so before I melted my baby hairs, I just applied a serum. Pre-installation, I did wash the hair and yeah, I let it air dry and then it kind of looked like, yeah, not shiny, so I had to give it that shyness back. So I just applied some serum and yeah, I melt down the baby hairs. Bona, hi, Rigeni, Ramelta. Compliments to the new year, guys. I forgot to mention that. But look at how the baby hairs do the trick to the hair. I agree. Are you agreeing? I agree. Shout out to Princess Hair, guys. Yo, like I told you in the last upload video that if you don't do baby hairs got 2021, stay away from us, okay? Stay away from the wig industry. You are not here, you're not allowed, we are marking you zero. Like, this wig is giving me this vibes. You know what? Hi, please don't touch my hair. I just come from the salon, new fresh relaxed hair. Like, like, do you see that? Coming through with the last pro tip that I will give you guys and I would like to share. When you are straightening a bob wig, always do that bending over at the tip or at the bottom of the wig so that it will give you that blunt cut. Look at that. Do you see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Allow the girl to have the feels, okay? Look at that bouncy. Bona. Yes, yes. Oh, shout out to beautiful princess hair, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. Thank you. Mwah.